Are you visiting Barcelona on a cruise ship and want to go to the Sagrada Familia on your own?
Yes, so today we're going to show you how to do it the easiest and fastest and cheapest way to do the Sagrada Familia on your own. But before you do anything on a cruise ship, make sure to check the all on board time because you want to be back before this time. Otherwise, the ship's going to leave and let you there.
Exactly. All right, let's go show you how to do this.
Excellent. Let's go.
All right, so once you're off the ship, the first place you're going to go to is the cruise terminal. You have no other place to go. All right. Now, you might see those private buses right outside the terminal, but want you to know they're arranged by the cruise line and they're going to probably cost you a lot more. In our case, they wanted 13 euros return per person.
Yes, while the cruise bus, which is right over there, is only it's going to cost much less than that.
Let's go find out. So as you can see here, the cruise bus provided by the Port of Barcelona is only 4 euros and 50 cents for an entire day ticket, or 3 euros one way. It's a lot cheaper than 13 euros. All right, well, here we are on the bus. They do not accept credit card at the bus. However,
you can pay by credit card online, follow the QR code that's on the bus, and you can actually buy your ticket online and pay by credit card.
Exactly, not a bad idea, very convenient.
One thing is very worth mentioning, the bus as an accessible ramp. So if you have mobility issue, that's a very good option. So our bus dropped us off in Plaza de las Trasenas, and it took like about 10 minutes to get here. So let's go take the metro now.
Now, one thing I forgot to mention is that if you want to visit the Sagrada Familia church on the inside, which is really beautiful, yes, you can see it from the outside, but if you want to visit from the inside, you have to buy your tickets months in advance.
Yes, it gets sold out really quickly, especially when there's more than one cruise line in port.
Absolutely. So like we always say, we're going to leave a link in the description so that you can buy your Skip the Line tickets.
In advance.
Exactly.
This is the famous piazza where the statue of Christophorus Columbus is, which incidentally is also the beginning of La Rambla. So if you want to just go for a walk on La Rambla, the most famous street in Barcelona, you come here and start walking.
Now, just like every other city, you got to be aware of pickpockets. Petty crime in Barcelona is very common, so just be smart. Carry only what you need and nothing that you can afford to lose, or nothing that you can't afford to lose.
Okay, so after walking about 5 minutes from the bus stop, we reached the metro station here. Now we're going to take the green line to the stop of Diagonal, where you can change to the blue line for the Sagrada Familia.
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go.
So here we are at the Gracinas train station. We take the green line towards Trinidad Nova and change in Diagonal. So we bought two return tickets, and the total is $9.60. Next stop is Diagonal, where they change for the blue line.
All right, and once you get up the escalator, you want to go towards Val d'Hebron.
So we are here at Diagonal. We have two stops for the Sagrada Familia. Well,
All right.
we made it. It took us 48 minutes to go from the port up to here, like Sagrada Familia, and it cost less than 10 euro return by metro to come here.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not
At the
bad.
time of recording, of course.
Exactly. Now, if you want to walk back on La Rambla to the cruise port, or at least to where you can pick up your bus, just go back the way you came. But instead of going all the way, just stop at the
Liceo station.
yeah, Liceo station.
And the market is just across the street, and you can have a
Exactly.
great lunch.
This has been a lot of fun. I hope you get to enjoy La Sagrada Familia like we will.
And by the way, we'll leave a link in the description for a downloadable cheat sheet with the step-by-step how to get here by metro.
Really good idea. Thank you so much for watching.
And we see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.